Ready? Where are the boys and girls? Where are the boys and girls?
Here.
How are you this morning?
Very well, thank you.
Okay, everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay. Psalm 23.
The Lord is
The
my
Lord
shepherd.
is my shepherd. I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He refreshes my soul. He guides me along the right paths for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the dark, your rod and your staff, they comforts me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely your goodness and mercy will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Oh, commandment number 1. No other gods before me. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. 5. Honor your father and your mother. Don't tell a lie. Always tell the truth.
Love is wider than the sky and deeper than the deep blue sea. God's love can light the darkest night and fill an aching heart with peace. God's love is guaranteed to be unchanging through eternity. Just as God loved Joseph and Jonah and Job, I know He loves me.
Next sound is ah. 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 Okay, you put on your head, especially when you go outside of your house, when it's very hot. Man.
I did
Boys, when you grow up, you will be a man, like your daddy.
The dad.
The dad.
The dad has a lad. The lad has a dad. The lad is bad. The dad is mad. The lad is sad.
The dad is sad.
The dad has a sad lad.
Who was sad? Who was sad?
Lad.
Okay, very good. And who was mad? Oh, the dad was mad.
8 planets. We all revolve around the sun. Mercury, Mercury, Mercury.
What is the first planet? Mercury. Okay.
E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury, Mercury, Mercury. I'm the smallest. 8. Venus, Venus, Venus.
V-E-N-U-S.
Venus, Venus, Venus. I'm the hottest planet.
What is the hottest planet? Venus. Okay. Why is it that Venus is the hottest planet and not Mercury? Mercury is the one nearest to the sun, but it is not the hottest planet. The hottest planet is Venus. Why do you think so? Who can remember? It's because Venus is covered with clouds made of sulfuric acid. That's why it is very hot. Planets where we live in. Earth. Okay, very good. Mercury. Very good.
Mercury. Mercury.
Okay, the answer is Mercury. Okay, can you please show me 8 in your hands? Show me 8. The biggest planet. Okay, very good. The answer is
Jupiter.
which planet is the hottest?
Yes.
Is it Mars, Venus, or Mercury? Yes, it's Venus. Tell me, how long does it take Earth to rotate on its axis? How many hours do we have in a day?
24.
The sun is a star. Is it a star? True or false?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. That is the closest star. The sun is the closest star to Earth.
False.
Now,
Time to clean up, everyone. Let's pick up our things.
clean up everything now. Put them on the side.
Clean up.
Clean up everyone. Put your hands together. Thank you so much for giving us this time to learn. Even help us to be good boys and good girls. Please be with our mummies and daddies who are working very hard for us, especially. Okay, see you.